Are you tired of bugging your developers every time you need to track a click or add a new marketing pixel? Then buckle up, because today we're diving into the world of Google Tag Manager, your new best friend for website data management. This powerful, free platform simplifies how you manage and deploy marketing tags, and we're going to cover the basics in just a few minutes. So, what exactly is Google Tag Manager? In a nutshell, it's a tag management system. Think of tags as little snippets of code you add to your website to track things like website analytics, conversions, and marketing pixel data to track your data more efficiently without GTM. You'd have to manually add these tags directly into your website's code, which can be time-consuming and requires coding skills. Google Tag Manager allows you to easily manage all your tags from a single, user-friendly interface. This means you can add, update, and remove tags without touching your website's code. So, how does it work? This user-friendly process streamlines website data management without the need for constant code edits, saving precious time and resources. First, you need to set up a GTM account and install a small piece of code on every page of your website. Then the core functions are tags, triggers, and variables. Tags are those snippets of code, like Google Analytics, that you implement. Triggers tell GTM when to fire those tags, like when a page loads or when someone clicks a button. And variables store and collect information that you can use in your tags and triggers. For example, to track how many people view a page, you'd set up the Google Analytics tag and create a trigger that will fire when someone views a page. Add your variables and you are set to start tracking your data. GTM streamlines your ability to track data, and with this understanding, now you can efficiently set up your website's data needs.